Hi, this is Mike with TestQuality, and today we're going to walk through setting up TestStory.ai, our AI-powered test case generation tool with your TestQuality. First thing you'll want to do is go into TestQuality, and you're going to want to select settings, and in settings, go down to integrations and scroll down below the Jira and GitHub integrations, and you'll see your personal access token area. You click the plus to create a new personal access token. You can give it a name like test story, and you'll get this personal access token, and you'll copy it to the clipboard. Make sure that you copy it, and if you want to store it somewhere, that's fine. You can go store it, but you're not going to be able to see it again after this point. Um, we'll go ahead and close it. I'm going to go ahead and kill that one. We'll go ahead and so once you have that, you've created your token, copied it to the clipboard. Then come back over to Test Story, and you're going to want to go into the settings menu and in Test Management. And in Test Management, you're going to want to turn on the toggle for test quality, paste in your token, and then you're going to want to pick your project. It's going to load up your projects, and then pick the project that you want to work with. Then you can test your connection. Should say that it's connected okay, and then save your settings. Okay. Then we're going to want to go over to the back over to the main page, the AI test generator. You're going to want to select, select either paste in your story from any source, or you can import directly from, let's say, from Linear in this case. So I've imported an issue from Linear, or a story, and then we'll want to set up our test modifiers. So you can pick a preset pack, whether this is a full new feature suite or a smoke test, um, maybe a bug fix verification, where you can set up custom presets. Or without, you can also set up just individual, happy path, um, end-to-end journey, user roles, first-time experience. We can make sure that it covers accessibility and security, and then we can kind of tune the output style towards verbose or concise. You can also choose a Yerkin style um, uh, BDD format um, as well. We'll say verbose just for fun. Um, and We also want our steps as tables. We want to reuse our issue key to kind of keep the stories together with the tests. And in this case, we're not going to generate a pull request description this time, but we can do that in a later video. So we'll go ahead and generate our test case. And Test AI is going to analyze the stories, it's going to build the test cases, and it's going to format the output for us. And then we'll have a lot of different options. We can export to CSV, we can output to PDF, we can share via email. But the cool feature, the most useful, is the direct integration with TestQuality. So you can see down in here we have it generated 8 test cases for this story, with all with steps and tags um, and a recommended assignee. So there was no assignee in that story, so it didn't assign to anyone, which is fine. So these are all of our test cases. If there's a test case you don't want to export, you can just untoggle it, and you'll see up here. Then you'll only have 7 of 8, and then we can either export as PDF, export CSV, or in this case, upload to TestQuality, which is what I'm going to do. And then we'll switch back over to TestQuality, and we can see that it's adding these in as we speak. So you can see these being populated as we go. I can go ahead and start walking through there. We've got our preconditions, our steps, expected results, the case type, and the priority. And it's all located in. They're all stored under a folder for that particular issue session. So that's it. It's pretty simple. So from now on, you can just log into, come back to TestStory, and you can pull your, you know, pull issues, user stories, bugs, epics from Jira, Linear, GitHub, or you can paste them in direct, just copy and paste directly into the story input. The issue updates card also shows you kind of your most recent issues or updates. So this will show you, go through all of your integrations, and it'll pull out the most recent updates or new issues and stories in all of your integrations. So in this case, this is a new Jira. These are all coming in from Jira here. Yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. Hope that explained everything for you, and we'll come back with more videos and show you more features and how to integrate with other systems as well.